Dodger. Watch out, boy. Watch out, boy. What are you doing? Woo! Here's another pupperino. Right there. What's going on, guys? So another day of off-roading. We're hitting Wheeler Lake this time. Look at this view right off from the start of the trail. All right, so our lineup, we got this monster big ass diesel here with us. Scarlett! Scarlett! And then there's my Jeep. Now there's some things differently, obviously no doors. And then from last time it overheated, I got this on, so hopefully it doesn't overheat. I do have videos on installing this and on how to do the door thing that are gonna be uploading soon. I just need to figure out some wiring shit. Then we got an LJ and we have this thing. This thing's pretty badass. This thing's so badass. Zook.
I'll just move. Am I going up?
Yeah.
I might have to back up to get a straight run at it. All that compensation you got.
Driver, turn driver. You gotta bump it.
Straight.
Bump it. Passenger. Oh, shit. Stop.
Oh, stand.
Yeah. Your diff clears if you want to bump it harder. Almost. Ah, don't stop. You had it. Great. Doggy's got in the water.
Hey, Listen, come here.
There we go. Stay in it.
Nice.
Go passenger a bit.
You're just sliding on rock.
Damn, look at that. No, look at this.
Oh, yeah, I see that too. Do I have that much people? How much people do I have about?
Baby. Look that view.
I like this. And I don't like how.
Put the camera right, Jesus.
I don't like it.
This view. Easy. Look at this view. Jeez. Yeah. We made it. Now, we had like 3 flat tires on the way. I didn't record that because we're just basically changing them, getting out as quickly as possible. But oh my God, look at this view, bro. Looks amazing. Holy fuck. Look at this. Oh my God. Alright guys, so now I told you earlier we had to change 2 tires because they popped. Well, we popped the 3rd one. And we gotta do a little trail tire exchange. This is JL popped this one. Or not popped, he broke his stem valve. So we just changed that. Right? It's been a day.
3 tires.
Another day, a couple more accidents.
And my buddy Nate, he popped that one and that one, and then he popped the front one again. Yeah, popped the front one twice. Whew. Look at this view though. That looks sick right here. Oh, so you have 2 spares and a spare.
Yes, sir. I think.
Dude, you can't make clutch bringing those 3. Sad truck. Sad truck. This view though. It's fucking amazing.
No passenger. Yeah. No passenger. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Slowly go up. Slowly. Slow. Yeah, up that ledge. Keep going. Slow. Yeah. Try to straighten up a bit. Just a little bit. Okay, now the back's going to slide down to about 6 inches. No, if you keep it cranked, I think you'll make it.
Keep going really slow.
If you go that way now. Yeah, just keep it.
Go driver.
Yeah.
There you go. Driver.
Yeah, with big drop on the driver's side coming up. Yeah, just keep it cranked. How's the front looking? Keep it.
It's a lot.
I don't know the passenger was if you have a
You're
big
gonna
drop
slide.
coming down there. Can I go driver, passenger, or straight?
Driver.
I'd say driver's side. I would come this way to the push and then out that way.
I can stack some rocks if you want, but you want me to stack some rocks there?
Am I going to just nosedive?
I don't think you're gonna nosedive with this, right? You just kind of. I'm not gonna make it slow.
That's fine. I go this way. Maybe just go straight. As straight as you can.
So, your passengers, unless I have a drop, then your driver.
So just keep it there?
Unless you want me to put some rocks, I don't see any other.
Yeah, you're going to go.
But just take it slow, and I know that you're gonna drop. Keep it coming, slow. Just keep it coming.
You got rear coming back still.
Driver.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah. Go slow, go slow.
Yeah, slow. Once you're out of this, you're good.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get this out of your way. You're gonna drop right there.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, get out of there. Get out of there.
Perfect.
Go passenger. Right, straight. Passenger a little. Keep it there. You're good. Right, straight. Your rear's gonna go up, that rock, but you're still fine. Yeah.
Go.
Keep coming slowly.
Dodger.
Yeah.
He needs to go more passenger.
Alright, keep it straight because you're gonna climb this rock. Keep it straight first for a little. Right there. Come slowly. More. Okay, now passenger. Start turning passenger a little. Yeah, right there. Keep it coming.
Might keep it there.
Keep it passenger. Alright, straight. Your driver's gonna drop first. Driver a little. Right there. Your rear's still good. Your passenger front's gonna start coming down. You're good, you're rear. There you go. Driver.
Come to me, passenger. Dodger.
Your rear's coming down slowly. Alright, my buddy Nathan, his tire blew again, and look at this shit. He fucked that shit up. Holy fuck.
Showed me something I've never seen before.
How many wheels can I go through? I've gone through 3. I should have brought 4.
Right? And then there's this one. He's sacrificing one because this one kind of blew too. Fucking hell. Look at that poor tire.